In this video, we'll look into SQL Q&A part 12. Question 1 would be list all types of bikes. We have these two tables, product category. In Adventure Works, we have these two tables, product category. Product category 1 is bikes, and we have to list the types of bikes. So in product subcategory, we have the types of bikes. Execute this. We have mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes. So in product category ID is 1. So in the product category for bikes, the product category ID is 1. So this is the linking column, product category ID, to list the all bikes. So let's write the query, select from product category. So we'll write this from Adventure Works 2017 production.product category. We'll give it an alias name PC, and then we'll inner join this product subcategory. And the common column for both of them is, so we are joining on product category ID. And for this product subcategory, I'll give the alias name PS. So we are joining PC by dot product category ID equal to PS dot product category ID. And here we should get from product category, we should get the name. So PC.name as product category. And from product subcategory also we should get the name, and it is product subcategory. So we joined these two tables on product category ID and got these names, where PC dot name, because in PC we have this product category, we have this bikes, components, clothing and accessories, but we want the name bikes. So where PC dot name is equal to bikes. I execute this now. So bikes is the product category. In product category we have mountain bikes, road bikes and touring bikes. So if I go to product subcategory and see mountain bikes, road bikes and touring bikes, where product category it is equal to 1. So what product category ID 1 is here for bikes. So that's how we can list all types of bikes by joining the two tables. Now question 2 would be create temp table. Insert values, select them and drop the table. So let us create the temp table. Create table hash temp. I'll take one column, temp ID int not null, and then go. So if I execute this, Before that, let me show where it will be created. The system databases, MSD, MTV. We have these temporary tables. Can refresh. There are no temp tables here. Now let us create it and see it there. Execute. Right click. Refresh. Right click temporary table and refresh. The temp table has been created. So now we'll select insert a value. Insert into hash temp values. I'll insert one, temp ID 1. So if I execute this now, 1 row has been inserted. So let us select it from the template. Select star from hash temp. I select them. So we inserted MPID 1. So got this MPID 1. Now we want to drop the table. Drop table hash temp. I execute it now. It is dropped. So you can go here and check. I click temporary tables and refresh. So that temporary table is deleted now. So to create temporarily a table and insert some values, and for comparison or for any other purpose, we can use this creation of this temporary table, and then we can immediately drop it after the work is done. So that's how we can work with temp table. Now question 3, we'll see rounding of numbers. How can we round off numbers? Let us take this table. So select star from AdventureWorks 2017 production cost is. Execute. Here we have this standard cost, which has got decimal values 12.0278, 13.87, 13.0816. So we have those decimal values there, and we want to round off those numbers. So we'll see how to do that. Here in this, let us take just the standard cost. So if we take just the standard cost, we'll get only this column. Okay, now we'll do the rounding off. Select standard cost from AdventureWorks 2017.production.product cost is. So we'll round off to 2 digits. 2 digits means 12.02, 13.87. So we'll say round. So when you say wrong, you will get the help here. You take your mouse pointer here. So it's built-in function round expression precision int function int returns. So here round off standard cost, and we want to know what precision. So I say 2 digits as, I'll say STD cost 2, just to say it's 2 digits. Now if I put this, the 12.0278 has become 12.03. 13.8782 has become 13.88, and this one 13.0863 has become 13.09. That's how we can round off to 2 digits. Now let us round it off to 3 digits. Make it 3 here, 3 here, and if I execute this, 0.28, this 7 has become 8, and this 878 and 0863 is 086. So that's how you can round it off to 2 digits. So what we round it off to 0. If I round it off to 0, then we'll see what will happen. See, it is 12.00, 14.00, 13.00. Basically, this only the, decimals have become 00, and we got only this integer, but it's still in the decimal format 0.00, but we got basically these integers in the decimal format. So after the decimal, the zeros don't have values, so we can as well ignore them if we want. That's how we can use this round function to round up the numbers, which can be useful in some cases. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.